Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Tether, USDT, from your Ledger Nano X to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to handle transactions securely, especially with the evolving landscape of blockchain tech. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet, the Ethereum app installed on it since USDT is typically an ERC20 token, and a verified Bitmart account. Also, ensure your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 security standards. Head to the Ledger website if you haven't already. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ethereum app on the device. You'll see the Ledger Live interface or whichever wallet software you're using. This is where we'll initiate the transfer. Next, log into your Bitmart account and navigate to the deposit section for USDT. Copy the wallet address provided. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Ethereum, to match your Ledger's setup. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it character by character to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, back to your Ledger setup. In Ledger Live or your preferred wallet app, select USDT from your assets. Enter the amount you want to send, paste the Bitmart wallet address, and add any required network fees. Review the transaction details carefully on your Ledger screen. It'll prompt you to confirm with the physical buttons for extra security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. That's how you safely send Tether from your Ledger Nano X to Bitmart. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so stay vigilant. If you run into any issues, check official resources or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.